If you're struggling with fixing monthly wage rates in Xero, you're in the right place. Today I'll show you how to quickly and easily adjust your employees' wage rates so your payroll runs smoothly. Stay tuned, because I'll also be sharing some Xero tips to make your accounting processes more efficient. Xero is a great tool for managing payroll, but it can be tricky if you don't know where to look. First, make sure you've got the right permissions. If you're not the company owner or the payroll administrator, you might need to get access. Once that's sorted, let's dive into adjusting wage rates. Start by logging into your Xero account and head to the payroll section. Once there, you'll want to select the employee whose wage rate you need to change. Click on Employees in the menu and then choose the one you're working with. Now, look for the pay template. This is where you'll manage how the wage rates are set. Select the pay template linked to that employee and click Edit. Here, you'll be able to see all the payment details, including their base salary or hourly wage. If you need to fix the wage rate, just find the section where it shows the rate of pay. You can update this by entering the new wage directly into the field. Make sure to save your changes after you adjust it, but what if you need to change a fixed monthly wage to an hourly rate or vice versa? Xero makes that process straightforward too. Simply update the pay type and enter the new hourly rate or monthly salary, depending on what you're adjusting it to. If you're working with an annual salary or hourly rates for different pay periods, you can adjust them for different times of the year. If a raise is upcoming, you can set the future wage rate to automatically apply in the next pay period. Just be sure to double check that everything is correct, especially when there are multiple changes to payroll. After you've made your changes, it's crucial to check that everything is correctly reflected in the next payroll run. To do this, review the employee's payslip. Xero will show you how the changes you've made impact their pay before it's finalized, which helps avoid any surprises. If you're new to Xero or you're just getting the hang of payroll adjustments, don't worry. Xero is intuitive once you get used to it, and I highly recommend it for anyone managing their payroll system. Now, for those of you looking to try out Xero, I've got a special offer for you. You can access Xero for free through the first link in the description, and on top of that, you'll get exclusive bonuses when you sign up. In closing, I hope this video on how to fix monthly wage rates in Xero was helpful. Remember, making these changes is simple once you get the hang of the software, and Xero really helps streamline payroll for businesses of all sizes. Be sure to check out the extended free trial offer in the description below, perfect for diving into the world of Xero with some extra perks to get you started.